Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix missing secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down, and click on security and privacy. After click on security and privacy, scroll down and click on more security settings and click on secure folder. After click on secure folder, so enter your lock and you will see. If you want to fix missing secure folder, so you will see allow background activity while logged, so you will see. After and just go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix missing secure folder on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.